She spoke specifically to employee engagement and employee behaviors, the science behind that in the workplace, and the expertise and knowledge base was definitely there to back it. She provided the science behind the employee behavioral expertise that was missing in our side of the fence. Together, we came up with a really cool plan where it not only had self-paced learning, but there was virtual live sessions, and then there was takeaway exercises in it all as well. So we worked very well together on doing that, and we had to work around key business peak periods and things like that. She's very compassionate, very connecting, and human-centric. It was a very positive experience rather than, a transaction. I would absolutely recommend Lisa, as she is not only driven, she's ambitious, and she's not afraid to share. So knowledge transfer is definitely there. I would definitely want to work with her again.